The Kyrgyz State Medical Academy is the first medical university in Kyrgyzstan, opened in 1939, named after the outstanding surgeon and academician Isa Ahumbayev. Today, the academy has become the leader in higher medical education in Kyrgyzstan and one of the leading medical universities in Central Asia and CIS, with a wide range of expertise area and strong systems, practices, and traditions in medical and pharmaceutical training. Over the past 80 years, more than 40,000 doctors and pharmacists have graduated from the medical academy who are now practicing in all corners of Kyrgyzstan, neighboring countries, and far abroad. About 7,000 students are currently studying in the academy, including more than 1,500 foreign students, 1,100 clinical residents, more than 200 graduate and doctoral students, with enrollment of more than 300 students in the specialized school for medical science, Lyceum, under the academy. Training is available in 3 languages, Kyrgyz, Russian, and English, to meet the demands of national and international students. The main mission of the academy is to improve public health and the quality of life of people through the continuous training of highly qualified specialists using innovative educational programs and technologies and conducting advanced biomedical research. The Medical Academy aims to implement its mission in accordance with the highest professional and ethical standards that encourages students to fully embrace their potential. A system of comprehensive and continuous education is offered in the academy, which ensures a person's educational potential and its growth, starting from school to throughout their life. This system includes secondary general education for programs of grade 10 and 11 in professionally oriented Lyceum of Kgma, secondary vocational education at the medical school for the visually impaired, higher professional education at the faculties of undergraduate training or specialty in 6 specialties: medical business, pediatrics, dentistry, medical and preventative care, pharmacy, higher education, and training for nurses. Postgraduate higher education residency in 106 medical specialties, postgraduate and doctoral studies in 80 specialties, as well as additional professional education in continuing education courses in various fields of medicine and pharmacy. The Academy has highly qualified professional teaching staff. 7 of them are honored members of the National Academy of Sciences of the Kyrgyz Republic. 6 are corresponding members. 22 are honored doctors and scientists of the Kyrgyz Republic. 105 are doctors of science, and 230 are candidates of science. The Academy is proud of its teaching staff, among which the academician Mamviet Mamakiev and the academician Mitalip Mamutov are talented doctors and scientists who have been awarded the highest degree of distinction for the state and the people of the Kyrgyz Republic, the honored hero of the Kyrgyz Republic. The Academy's professors and teachers also delivered lectures at the leading universities in Europe and Asia, participated at international conferences and symposiums, and published their thesis scientific work in the world's renowned scientific journals. In 2018, the Academy was recognized by Clarivate Analytics as one of the best higher educational institutions with the Web of Science database of scientific works in Kyrgyzstan. The Academy has a well-developed infrastructure to support the educational requirements. It owns 15 plots of land with a total area of 20 hectares, with 6 educational buildings: the main building, the morphological building, the dental building, the pharmaceutical buildings, and 2 educational buildings. The Academy also has 7 hostels, the Dental Clinical Training and Scientific Center, the Educational Medical and Scientific Medical Center, and also 2 research centers, the High Mountain Scientific and Medical Training Center, named after Ramzanov at the Tu-Ashu Pass, and the Akbalun Training Sports and Health Center in the Isykyl region. The process of education involves more than 30 lecture halls, 15 computer classes, 22 multimedia streaming classrooms, 33 specialized rooms, anatomy museum, simulation and medical models classrooms, and 9 educational and research laboratories. The Academy has a unique Museum of Plastination, which has specimens of natural organs and tissues of humans and animals, preserved by replacing tissue fluid and fats with reactive polymers. Furthermore, the Academy is comprised of 8 faculties and 58 departments. The clinical departments of KSMA are located on the bases of leading national medical centers, healthcare organizations of the Republic, and the city of Bishkek. Along with the use of innovative teaching methods, the KSMA maintains the traditions of teaching and assessing students' knowledge according to the so-called at the patient's bedside method. For the clinical skills development, there is a Center for the Development of Clinical Skills and Assessment of Knowledge, equipped with medical simulation facility and training models of various levels of realism. Based on this, students practice not only their clinical skills, but also are assessed by the method of computer testing and objective structured clinical exam method. In order to master modern diagnostic and treatment methods, the Academy provides a biomedical laboratory as part of the Erasmus Plus project, with modern methods including a diagnostic ultrasound, an endoscope, and other modern medical equipment. The Distance Learning and Postgraduate Educational Center has been opened for the development of innovative educational technologies, which has the necessary equipment for conducting distance learning courses, video conferences, and for developing or implementing electronic educational and methodical modules. To conduct basic and applied research, the Academy has an educational and scientific center for biomedical research, which includes a vivarium, an operating room for animal experiments, morphological, biochemical, and polymerase chain reaction diagnostic libraries. To provide students with educational, methodological, and scientific literature, the Academy offers a library with 6 different book distribution terminals, 7 rooms for studying totaling about 250 seats, and an electronic library. The Academy is a collective member of the International Association of Universities, the associate member of the Erasmus Mundus Master's Program in Public Health in Natural Disasters, the Association of Higher Educational Institutions of the Kyrgyz Republic, the Association of Clinical Pharmacology and Therapy of the European Union, the Association of Medical Education in the Kyrgyz Republic, International Anti-Epileptic League, European Academy of Neurology, European Union International Network of Bioethic Units of the UNESCO Chair in Bioethics at the University of Haifa, Israel, the International Headache Society, and the Strategic Alliance of Universities, One Belt, One Road, Gansu, China. The Academy has created the environment for comprehensive development through active educational and cultural work and academic mobility. For physical education and sports, there are 8 gyms, facilities for 6 different trainings like basketball, volleyball, football, and more, with appropriate sports equipment. For students with disability, there are specially equipped rooms for classes including physiotherapy. The Academy has innovative and at the same time realistic goals to train specialists with general and special competencies, universal and subject-specific capabilities that contribute to their social mobility and stability in the labor market, to be a leader in the medical education and scientific community, and at the same time remain the flagship of higher medical education, preserving and enhancing the traditions of the national medicine, to achieve an international recognition as the leading medical university in Central Asia, to ensure the highest level of quality education that promotes newly skilled professionals who can meet and face the realities and challenges of the 21st century.